my channel. If you guys are new here, hi, welcome. So for today's video, I thought I'd just give a quick review on the Stila Glitter and Glow sets as well as the Shimmer and Glow sets. As you guys know, Stila comes out with wonderful eyeshadows. They have the Shimmer and Glow sets, they have the Glitter and Glow sets, they have the metallic sets, and they literally come out with so many different colors throughout the season, throughout the year. And I just want to do just a quick review to show you guys how I did this look. Super simple and easy, as well as what these shadows are used for. So if you guys like this look and you guys want to see my thoughts and opinions, then keep on watching. Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys how I apply these. It's very simple. I either do it with no shadow on whatsoever, or I do it with shadow. It depends on the type of look I'm going for. I'll go for my standard everyday look. So I am going to take this Winky Luxe eyeshadow palette. I got it in my BoxyCharm palette a couple months ago. And I'm going in with this little pinky shade right here called Purr. And I'm literally just going to put it all over my eye, just because it just sets a base for my eyeshadow. And I'm just going to put it right here. Because with these shadows, I mean, you could pretty much just do a whole look with it. You could do cut creases with it. You could just do it by itself. You could do mattes on the outside, shimmer on the inside. You could do whatever you want with these shadows. That's why I absolutely love them. I think they're totally worth money. I pretty much buy all the little packs that come out to begin with because I think it's gorgeous. So I'm just gonna do my everyday look that I do for work when I wear this. Me and my friend Kayla actually came up with this look together because we were trying to figure out what was the best way to wear this look, and I was like, why don't we just have down a base? And yeah. And then I go into my little 6-pack. This did come out during Christmas time. I go into here and I go normally for the Glitter and Glow. I'm not the biggest fan of the Shimmer and Glow. I just think it looks too metallic for me. I go in the color Peachy Sheen. Beautiful little pink shimmer, and I love having pink shimmer, especially since I have hazel eyes. It's hard to tell on camera, but it's gorgeous. So now that I have my shadow on, I literally just take it and I just plop it right on top. And I literally just put it everywhere. I don't even bother to try to create a dimension with it. I think it's so gorgeous, so why bother creating a dimension with it when this literally could stand out on its own. I just put the pink base there. You could put any pink base there or any shadow there just to get that little extra pop, but because this is a pink shadow itself, I wanted that extra like enhancement for it. Now these little mini shadows you guys can find in most of the Stila packs. They have packs of 3. I did get the pack of 6 during Christmas time because they were advertising it for Christmas, so I got it, and I think I spent $45 on it. Honestly, I don't remember. But the little mini packs are $25, and the ounces on these, hopefully it says it right on here. The ounces on these, you get 6 of these for 0.7 ounces or 2.25 milliliters. So they're rather small for the steep price, but I mean, this is just a great way if you want to try different colors and not have to shell out $24 for the main thing, then by all means. Would I go out and buy this color in the big size for $20? Yeah, because I think it's gorgeous, and I literally use this shadow all the time, like all the time. It's so gorgeous. I love it, and I think it's just stunning, and I feel like you don't even need anything else to go with it. You just need maybe some falsies or some mascara, and you don't even need any liner. Just pop that right on. So with that said, I'm actually gonna go put on some mascara and falsies, and I'll be right back. Alright, so now that my lashes are back on, this is the final look. It's super, super, super easy. Literally, I just put on the Stila eyeshadow with just a little bit of powder underneath or shadow underneath, and you get this look. Do I wear these false lashes to work? No, because I'm terrified that false lashes are going to fall into my guest's food, and I do not know what would happen if that would happen. So I normally just wear mascara, but this is literally the look that I go for on an everyday basis. Like with the lips and everything, I do this look. So it's super gorgeous. You could dress it up, you could dress it down, and this is something that I really love about the Stila Glitter and Glow set or the Shimmer and Glow set, because they're gorgeous and they can go for any look out there. Not gonna lie, but this concealer is kind of giving me like Flashback Mary vibes. ColourPop. You feel me on that concealer part. Look a little bit like Flashback Mary. I mean, look at this. Pop, pop. Okay, so I have a couple sample stuff here. I do have some full-size Stila colors that I got, as well as some minis that I got from Sephora. The little mini packs do look like They do look like this. These are some sample sizes or travel sizes. One side you do have the shimmer and glows. On the other, you guys have the glitter and glows. Personally, I do love the glitters and glows. I'm not the biggest fan of the shimmer and glows because they have just a metallic sheen to it, and I just really like to have the sparkle and the pop. So I'm not the biggest fan, but I do love these. But I figure I'd do some swatches and show you guys what these shadows are about. Alright guys, so I did do a swatch of that 6-pack for you guys so I can show you the difference. So this color right here is the Peachy Sheen, and it is what I'm wearing on my eyes right now, followed by the Smoldering Satin, and the next to Natty. These have a beautiful, beautiful shine to it. It's why I typically go for these type of looks, because I feel like it just really, really draws attention to the eye and makes your eyes just pop, and I think they're absolutely gorgeous. On this side we do have the more shimmer and glow. This is the more metallic. So right here in the very top we do have Kitten, followed by the color Grace, followed by the color Twig. I probably would never wear the darker colors to work personally, just because I like more of the lighter pop pinky colors. I think it really enhances my eyes. I'm not so keen on the darker colors right here, just because, I mean, I would probably wear those for like Christmas time, you know, Thanksgiving time, but not just every day to work. Now these are some of the full size colors that I do currently have. At the very top we do have the color Wonderlust. It is a mix of a gold and pink hue to it. I don't know how well that picks up on the camera, but there actually is an ombre look. There we go. So this is the ombre effect I was talking about. So you see it's gold on the outside, but then goes pink and like rose gold on the inside. It is absolutely gorgeous, and when I saw it in stores, I knew I just had to have it. This color that we have is the Retro Rose Gold Shimmer. This works really, really well, and it's gorgeous on the skin. Followed by this is the Sunset Cove. This beautiful pinky iridescent color. It is absolutely gorgeous, and I feel like the camera doesn't do as much justice for it, but I love it. These do retail for $24 a piece, with the ounce sizes being 0.13 fluid ounces or 4.5 milliliters for this. You do get more for your buck. I mean, it is $24, and they're come in gorgeous array of colors. Or you can go on Sephora's website and you can get little 3-packs they have. I know that one has Kitten Karma, it has Smoldering Satin, and Retro Rose Gold, which I actually have 2 of the colors here. I didn't want to invest on that pack for $25 when I actually currently own the colors as well, but they're gorgeous and they're super easy to apply. They look stunning on the eye. I mean, anyone out there can wear it. It does look crazy when you go and take it off, I mean, for sure, but it's absolutely gorgeous and I love wearing it. And I think that for what you get and what you pay for, you can't beat it. I mean, you're spending 24 bucks for a full size. This will last me for quite some time, and you can create so many looks with it if you're really outrageous. And you can do cut crease, you can do eyeliners with it. I mean, you could do so much with these looks, and you could either wear it just by itself or you could wear it with a shadow. I mean, it's completely up to you. It's how you want to do your look. These are super creative and they're so fun to play with. There's like literally like 25 colors alone, not including any specialty packs that they may have. So I definitely recommend going out there and getting your hands on these Stila, especially this one, Wonderlust, and it just has this beautiful rose gold mixture to it, and it has this ombre effect, and I can't get enough of it. I love it. These are absolutely amazing, and I literally wear these all the time to work because they're super easy to apply. When I'm trying to be in a rush but still trying to look glam, I literally just throw these on. Throw on some mascara, some lip gloss, some face shit, and yeah. But I'm literally rushing to get to work. I literally just throw this on my eyes. I throw on some mascara, and boom, my eyes look glam as fuck, and I love it, and I love the way it looks. So these are definitely a way to go. And they're super, super easy to do. I mean, they have the dome applicator. They have the dome applicator that's just super, super easy to put into your eyes. Very, very flexible, very blendy, and the color payoff on these is amazing. Now I will say when it comes to taking these off, they are just a little bit of a pain. You know, you kind of had to scrub it just a little bit more, but they're totally worth it because I think these looks are gorgeous, and I definitely recommend Stila out to anyone out there. I mean, I keep going to the store and I keep seeing what they have next. I think they have this like siren one that's like this blue color, blue iridescence, and I love blue iridescence because it reminds me of a mermaid, so I think I'm actually go out and get that one. But I definitely recommend this to anyone out there who just wants to do something super easy and super quick and still look glam and still look beautiful, and Stila is the way to go. I mean, you literally have so many choices that you could choose from. So many choices. I mean, they have just a variety of colors, a variety of packs. If you don't want to have the shimmers, you could just have the sheens, you could have the metallics, and legit, these are definitely a way to go. So I'd highly recommend these out to anyone out there who's looking to try some fun eyeshadow and who's not very good at eyeshadow, because I'm not the best. I'll be the first one to admit I'm not the best at eyeshadow, and this right here makes it so easy. I literally just throw it on my eyes and my eyes just pop. I mean, I could do a matte into a shimmer if I wanted to, but today I just wanted to do just a shimmer and make my eyes look beautiful, and they do. And anyone out there can do it. Like, seriously, anyone out there can do it. So go get your hand on these. I know this product is not new. These have been around forever, but I just wanted to review it for my channel and tell you guys how much I love them and how often I truly do use these and wear them for quick looks out the door, and I still look beautiful. So yeah, if you guys like me, if you guys like this video, please give me a cheeky thumbs up. Let me know in the comments below what you guys want to see in my very next video. I appreciate all the feedback. It definitely helps me grow and helps me learn, and I think become better for you guys. So yeah, thank you guys so much for your love and support, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! They come in gorgeous like these. So this is the really, my hand right here. Look at this. I'm turning into a mermaid.